All right, so today I want to show you my Jeep. Not this Jeep. This Jeep. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. My son is into cars, which is not abnormal for a lot of little boys, but he has never had one of these motorized power cars. I've never had them either as a kid, but we actually saw this particular model in a store one day, and he jumped in it, and it wasn't running, but he absolutely loved it, and I just thought, for sure, it's kind of one of those guaranteed he'll love kind of things. Now, I found this one on Facebook Marketplace for $100, so I think this was like almost $400 new, but it is a lot bigger than some of the other Power Wheel toys, and it's going to save me a lot of money, and I don't think he's going to care. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. But I will tell you what, in my Jeep Commander here, this thing barely fit. So I was a little worried about that. I actually thought it would fit this way, right here, like kind of front to back. But this is pretty big. It's pretty heavy. It took me a while to get it in there, and I'm a big, burly, muscular guy. Or maybe I'm not. But let's get it out and take a look at it and see if he actually likes it. All right, I'm on wide angle fisheye lens here, so maybe it looks a little smaller, but so does my Jeep. I wanted to get this whole thing in for you. The motor and the battery is in the back right there. You can see it is split with a console there for 2 seats. 2 toddlers, 2, 3, 4, 5-year-olds are probably going to be able to sit in there just fine. And actually, that was kind of one of the worries about like the smaller ones, is that they usually had only 1 seat, or if they did have 2 seats, they were kind of meant for 1 person. But I definitely don't think he'll outgrow this one. You can see there are Velcro seat belts in here. So, and then way down here, we get to the pedal, and this is on. I don't know that this lever does anything. That might just be for looks. Get some switches here to keep you entertained, and then this key here, which I will have to figure out what does what. I'm not sure if anything does anything. No power steering, you got to really crank on that. All right, gear shift knob actually does something. If you put it like this, down here, that's reverse. So up here is drive, so it's kind of interesting. All the gauges are just paper there. Little fake Hemi intake runners popping out of the hood there. Bull bar on the front, pretty cool. So just gonna wipe this down, put it away, and then we will see if he likes it. More headers sticking out of the trunk. It's kind of funny. I guess artists and designers put it together, not real car guys. All right, so I have learned a little bit about this thing, and first of all, you don't have to take anything apart to get to the battery. There is just a little kind of button right here you have to depress, and that will move this plunger back and allow you to lift up this piece here. What's nice about this, and I was kind of wondering, why is there like an engine intake manifold in the front and on the back? Well, it's because they only manufactured, basically, and I actually don't know. Maybe this was a dual engine concept car or something like that. But here's the battery itself. You lift it out by pushing this bar back here, and then this plug just pulls out. I actually thought maybe you have to release it with a detent or something. Just grab it, pull it out, and then the charger will slide right into the middle here. So putting this back is just like that. Pretty easy. Clicks in. Now, the other thing that I noticed here is that this little shift knob did not want to go up into this portion of the Z. There is a little screw that goes in there. It's just a Phillips head screw, but that's the lockout for this fast mode. So you have reverse, normal, and then speedy. So I think this is like 3 to 4 miles an hour, and then this is like 5 or 6 miles an hour. So I removed that, so that is going as fast as it possibly can, and be as much fun as it possibly can. Oh. So what does my kid think of it? Swing is blowing. Here, come over here to the driver's side, Theo. Climb in. Climb in, buddy. Now it's already on. Now this is forward. This is backwards. Okay, so it's in forward now. See the gas pedal up there? It's actually pretty far.
Hold this. Ready?
Hold your steering wheel.
Okay, go.
Press the pedal.
Press the pedal.
With the other foot.
Wow.
Use your other foot, buddy.
Your other